So we've got the engine light on. And we'll just do a quick scan of it. One code found. P042D, high bank 1, sensor 2. Now one thing that I found in the past is sometimes it'll be something very simple. In this case, it could also be that the fuel cap is leaking. Now to get the cap apart, you've got to just sort of, there's these little tangs there that hold it. And the plastic is a little bit pliable, so you can flip it out. I'll just show you. Slowly work it out. Don't force it or you'll end up breaking it. Get that side off. There we go. There's a little valve in there. That one I've blown on it and it will actually leak. And then under here you've got a little spring. And what happens sometimes, these little teeth break off and then it won't spin around and ratchet. After I've cleaned that, I've just put my mouth over it and blown through it. You could feel it leaking through there. So a good clean now it's not leaking. The seal that goes on there, I'm just going to flip that around 180 degrees. Hopefully it'll sit on a new spot and seal better. Spring goes in first. Make sure you put the spring lined up in there. There we go. Alright, all back together. You see how much muck come out of it. So hopefully it'll seal better. We've cleaned the cap. Look at that. Engine light's gone. Ta-da! Anyway, hope that's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you always check the basics first, or the easier remedies. If you think this information has helped, don't forget to throw me a beer. Thank you for watching.